Every executive today faces a single, unavoidable fork in the road. You can layer AI onto existing systems for quick, marginal gains, or you can rebuild your foundation to make AI native. The former feels safe, but the data proves it is a trap. A 2025 MIT study shows 95% of enterprise AI pilots failed to deliver measurable value. This is not a failure of technology, it is a failure of architecture. When you bolt AI onto legacy systems, you are simply speeding up processes designed for a world that no longer exists. You pay the redesign tax twice, once for the patch, and again when you inevitably have to rip it out. The true winners are not those with the best models, but those who redesign workflows around what AI makes possible. Think of finance. Instead of analysts managing monthly closes, AI agents handle continuous accounting and real-time forecasting. This level of transformation is impossible on top of 1990s screens. We've seen this before. In the 1980s, productivity stagnated despite massive IT investment until firms paired tech with organizational change. This is the productivity J-curve. Productivity dips while you build the groundwork, then surges exponentially. Look at DBS Bank in Singapore as the blueprint. By rebuilding their entire stack on cloud and open source years before the generative AI wave, they turned AI into a $1 billion annual value generator. They did not win because they were first to use the technology. They won because they were first to modernize their architecture. They understood that legacy systems are a debt that compounds at 20% a year, where fragmented data makes AI ineffective. While 70% of traditional IT budgets vanish into maintaining this technical debt, leaders who build AI-native systems capture the compounding power of data flywheels. The choice is clear: incremental gains on a depreciating asset, or transformational growth on an appreciating one. The window to build that foundation is closing fast. By 2026, the talent gap will turn into a full-scale crisis. You cannot wait for the perfect moment. The moment has already passed for the hesitant. Stop asking if you are using AI. Start asking if your foundation allows AI to actually matter. The companies defining 2030 are not just adding features. They are rebuilding the engine of their business today. Don't just participate in the future. Build the architecture that can actually inhabit it.